After 2 years of preparation and months of rigorous verification, Xprinter has officially passed the amfori BSCI Business Social Compliance Initiative audit, developed under the leadership of the Foreign Trade Association (FTA) of Europe. Amfori BSCI is a global gold standard for business social responsibility. It covers core dimensions including labor rights protection, occupational health and safety, and ethical business practices, and is recognized by over 2,000 leading international enterprises. Moreover, it serves as a key qualification for enterprises to enter the global mainstream supply chains. Xprinter's successful passing of this audit not only marks the comprehensive upgrading and transformation of its management system, but also signifies a new milestone in its journey toward becoming an international enterprise. It is also a crucial reflection of Xprinter's commitment to corporate and social responsibility. Xprinter is not just a technology company, but an innovative international enterprise with a global perspective. Choosing Xprinter empowers you with more opportunities to explore overseas markets. This achievement is a powerful testament to Xprinter's collective efforts and steady progress, as well as a recognition of customers' unwavering trust in us along the way. We would like to thank our partners for their collaboration and mutual growth, and also appreciate the attention and support from all sectors of society. Taking this high-standard audit pass as a new starting point, Xprinter will embed social responsibility deep into its corporate DNA, continue to align with international standards, refine its products and services, and join hands with global partners to create a win-win situation of both business and social value.